Hey everybody, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. This is the new EVGA GTX 970. I ordered this puppy right when it was announced by nvidia, and I am stoked. So this is the unboxing. Got it from Amazon Prime. I went ahead and I had a $30 gift card, so I think net out the door it was like $280 or $290, might have even been. Oh man, and I have just been waiting ever since. They shipped it a couple days late to me, but you know what, whatever they have to do. Apparently these were in high demand right when they're announced. Everyone knows how that goes. Gotta break the little assurance of quality by EVGA. I went with the EVGA just because I've had good experiences with them in the past. I'm upgrading from a 560 Ti, also EVGA, and I was just, it's been a while since I've upgraded. Okay, if your product is not working correctly, do not return to the store. EVGA offers direct customer service, so don't return this bad boy. And here are the goodies inside. Let me get that camera. So, piece of paper. Oh, poster actually. Okay, art of the game. Kind of a cool oh. Okay, so some big dude with a horn. Okay, it's kind of creepy. Cool little pre-installation, how to do crap. So, download the latest drivers, yada yada. Oh, the 900. Okay, stickers. Yeah, not into stickers on my rig. As you can see, I have a Lianli Sleek. It's like, the sleeper, I call her. Then we have power adapters, which I won't need. Video adapter, which I also won't need. More power adapters, which I won't need. And then the beautiful, beautiful card here. Oops, that was the back. Oh, I did drop something there. More discreet. Oh, that actually looks a little better. A little steel looking type thing. I might actually put that thing on. And then here is the card. Oh, she looks good, man. She's big. Wow, and there it is. So they did have the issue where the heatsink is not, all three pipes of the heatsink were not touching the part that it needed to, the little processor. But I think it's okay. EVGA came out with a statement that it was all good. And wow, I'm just stoked to get this baby up and going. So that's that. I will report how well it goes in a little bit.